This is a method to remove the cartridge holder. It's a quick method, but it will be necessary to dismantle part of the printer. To begin, remove the scanner unit. Remove the screw. This is an Epson XP320 inkjet printer, but this method works in several Epson printers. Open the cover. Here there is another screw to remove. Different Epson models may have different disassembly instructions. Lift up the scanner unit. Slide to the right the scanner unit and remove it. Be careful, there is a flat cable. Detach the flat cable. Remove the scanner unit. Remove this plastic part. It has two tabs on the side. The flat cable of the scanner unit will be reinserted here. Remove the left side panel. It has two tabs on the bottom. Remove the other side panel. Here there is a screw. I repeat, different Epson model may have different disassembly instructions. Remove the right side panel. This transparent plastic strip is the encoder strip. Remove it. Remove the carriage belt. Remove the two screws of the carriage motor. Remove the motor. Now you have to remove the screws of the metal frame. It will be not necessary to remove all the screws. However, the more screws you remove, the best. It's necessary to remove only the screws on the right part. Remove the screws of the metal cover of the sensor. Remove the metal cover. Remove the sensor. Move away the flat cable. It's glued. Remove the plastic cover. Detach all the flat cables of the printhead. pull out the metal frame. Be careful not to bend it, it's important. Now you can slide the cartridge holder out from its guides. This is the cartridge holder. The encoder strip must be put in this way. The little flat cable must be inserted here. This is the belt of the motor. Now you can reinsert the cartridge holder. Again, do not bend the metal frame. Remember that the Epson printheads are quite delicate. If you let them too much time out of their position, the ink will dry inside the nozzles, clogging the printhead.